welcome! My name is Jocelyn and today I am doing my first ever Stitch Fix unboxing. I am very excited about this. I actually got this in the mail yesterday, but I didn't want to open it until I could open it on camera with you. If you're not familiar with what Stitch Fix is, it is a subscription service, a styling subscription service. You pay $20 a month or however often kind of you want. You can skip months, you can do it seasonally, every other month. It's very, very flexible, but you pay $20 whenever again you feel like it, and then you are sent 5 items to try on to see if you like. Anything that you decide that you don't want to keep, you can send back. When you sign up for Stitch Fix, you do fill out a super in-depth quiz. I really enjoyed that. It was very reassuring to know that they had all of my measurements, my preferences. It was so in detail. You could tell them what kind of prints you would like them to avoid. So for example, I don't like animal print, so I told them that I don't want to be sent anything with animal print. I don't like leather, so I told them not to send me anything with leather. You can easily customize, I guess, your profile. So once you've filled out your profile, you select when you want to receive your first Stitch Fix. Again, it's just super customizable, which I thought that was so cool. I've never done a subscription service like this. The $20 that you spend as a styling fee can be applied towards anything you decide to keep, but if you decide to send back your entire box, then you lose that $20. So that's kind of the only downfall. The idea, hopefully, is that you at least love one thing in your Stitch Fix. It's also my understanding that if you decide to keep everything from your box, you get, I think, 25% off, which is really great. So you have a stylist on the other end of this service who goes through your profile and selects pieces of clothing or shoes or jewelry or handbags that they think that you might love, and then they send them to you. My understanding also is you can request specific things. I didn't request anything specific. I wanted to see just what they would send me. If you want to check Stitch Fix out, I will definitely leave a link down below. I'm sure that like most subscription services, I have some kind of referral link. It's probably something where if you use my link, you get some money off and I might get some money off. So if you're interested, definitely check below for a referral link. This is what my box looks like. It's a little bit smaller than I was thinking it was going to be, and I was watching some reviews on YouTube recently, and apparently the box sizes differ quite a bit, so depending on what they send you, the box will be bigger or smaller. So it's definitely got some weight to it. I'm really excited to see what's in here. I hope that I at least love one thing, if not a couple things. They do carry more high-end brands, so the price tags in this box are going to be a little bit more up there, but that's okay with me. I'm trying to add things to my closet that have more value, that are better quality. So I'm gonna open this box with you. I'm very excited. I'm gonna share with you the clothing pieces, and I'm gonna do a little bit of a try on, and then I don't know if I'll decide today what pieces I'm keeping and what pieces I'm gonna send back, if any, but if I don't tell you in this video which pieces I'm keeping, then I will definitely put it down in the comments below, but probably I'll be able to tell right away based on style and price tag which items I'll keep and which items I will be sending back. Oh, also on the site, another piece you can customize is what price range you want, and you can choose if you want just kind of the cheapest price possible, which is the one I opted for because your girl's not trying to spend $200 on a pair of pants. So let's break her open. I'm so excited. Ooh. Oh, okay. Ooh, okay. All right. So first off, on the top, we have the return pouch. So this is the prepaid envelope that any of the items I choose not to keep, I can slip inside of here and mail back to them. We also have a card on top. I don't want to look at these cards though until I look at the actual clothing pieces. All right, so the first thing in the box is another box. This must have jewelry in it. Do we want to look at the jewelry first or do we want to save it for last? Let's look at it first. Ooh, oh, this is like the first item I'm looking at. This is always like the best part of any subscription service. Oh, Oh, these are so pretty. Oh, I hope you are not super expensive. Oh, oh no. I don't know why I'm upset that I like these. The point of this is to like the things they send you. Should I actually show them to you? So these are the first things in the box. They are these very delicate dangle earrings. They are by Town & Reese exclusively for Stitch Fix. So that's really cool. They are a rose gold. What's funny is I just lost my favorite pair of dangle earrings. I don't want to know how much these are. I hope that they're not outrageously expensive, but those are for sure something I'm very interested in keeping. Okay, so the rest of the items, let me pull them out of the box. The rest of the items come in this paper wrapping with a sticker on top, and so it looks like we might have 3 tops and 1 pair of jeans in there. So all right, let's get started. I see some stripes on the top, which is great because I love stripes. If you're familiar with my channel at all, you probably know that because I wear stripes in a lot of videos. So here is the first top. Oh, it's got a tie at the front. Oh, I love tops with ties. Okay, so this is by the brand Lush. So this is the Tamara cropped knot front knit top in the size medium. Very excited to try that on. We'll get to prices in a moment. Then, oh my god, this is so soft. Oh my god. Okay, so let me actually show you what I'm freaking out about. So this is like a cardigan top. It would go so well with this striped shirt underneath. I could wear this to work. It is the softest thing I have felt. It is a dark green color, which I absolutely love. It goes really well with my red hair. It's got pockets. This is also a size medium. This is by the brand Paper Moon. It is the Halls Brushed Knit 2-Pocket Cardigan. Oh, I'm excited to try that on. I'm in trouble. The first 3 items I have loved so far. Okay, this next one I don't have as much hope for, so let's take a look. It is a blouse. Wait, no, it's a dress. Wait a minute. Oh, this is cuter than I thought it was gonna be. I wish this was a different pattern. So this is a floral dress. It's blue, red, and tan and white. So this is by the brand Kalea, possibly the Amandine knit dress in the size medium. I'll have to figure out what this looks like on. I have a feeling I probably won't keep this one. I really like the style and the fabric itself, but I'm not a big fan of the pattern. So we'll see. I'm definitely still gonna try it on. It looks like it's gonna hit just the right length on me, which, oof. All right, the last thing that we have in here is a pair of pants. These are ankle skinny pants in the size 28. Oh, these are size 6. Perfect. That's what size I am. These pants are by the brand 1822 Denim. They are the Berlin Distressed Girlfriend jeans. So these look really nice. They have a good, solid feel to them. These look like they would fit really well. Okay, so let me, before I try them on and fall in love with them, let me figure out. Ooh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Nothing is over $50, which is great. That's what I was primarily concerned about. All right, so let's go ahead and talk prices before I try these bad boys on. So the dress, this dress that I'm not 100% sure about, this is $48, so not totally outrageous. Nothing in the box is over $50, which is great. The super incredibly soft, beautiful green cardigan, she is $44, so not too bad for a cardigan. I was really hoping that one was less than $50. The gorgeous, gorgeous rose gold earrings are $28, so not too bad. The striped top with the tie in the front, this is $34, okay. And then finally the jeans, these are $48, so pretty standard for a good pair of jeans. So let me try these on and then we will take a look and I'll show you what they look like. Oh, wait. Something I forgot to mention and forgot almost about entirely is this card right here. It says, oh, hello. This has on it, oh, look at that. Refer a friend. So there is a referral code. I will link it down below. Inside this card, when you open it up, it has each of the pieces that the stylist sent to you and then how to create an outfit around them. And then right up here, it has a note from my stylist. So my stylist is Lindsay. You have a specific person, again, on the other end of this box who styles for you. This is everything I was hoping it would be so far. So what's really cool is I think you can request the same stylist over and over over again. And also you can leave them feedback. So if there's something you absolutely hated in your Stitch Fix, you can tell them and then they hopefully won't send it to you again. All right, with that being said, let's get into the fitting portion of this video. All right, so these are the first two items. So I have the jeans on and I went ahead and cuffed them at the ankle per my stylist. Oh, they're so comfortable. I love these. They fit perfectly. My bum looks pretty good. The top does knit together in the front like so. It is high necked, so a nice dainty necklace that lands maybe like right here would look really good. It fits pretty good. It does come up if I raise my arms too much, but it fits really well, as you can see. I also went ahead and put in the earrings, which I think looks so pretty. I love them. Definitely gonna be keeping these. Pretty sure I'm gonna be keeping the pants. They have nice sized pockets, and again, they're so comfortable. They look really nice. Very excited about these. Let me throw on that cardigan that I am oh so excited about. I hope it fits. Oh yes, I've been wanting to get more cardigans, so this is very exciting. Okay, so this is a for sure. The jeans are a for sure. The earrings are a for sure. I think the top is also a for sure. Okay, let me put on the dress. Let's see what that's all about. Well, this fits extremely well. Where would I wear this? I wish this was a different color. This fits so incredibly well and looks so good on me. I mean, I hope it's translating correctly in the camera as it is in front of me. All right, so we're not sure about this one. I'm gonna have to do some thinking on this one. I've asked some of my friends for their advice. Excuse the cleavage. But yeah, everything else I freaking love. All right, so now that you've seen what everything looks like on, I've got quite the predicament on my hands. The total cost of my box is $202 even. If I decided to buy everything from the box, I would get a $50.50 discount, which is crazy. So the total would be $151.50. My styling fee would be applied towards that, so I would still have to pay $131.50. That's definitely not outrageous. I was worried that my total box cost would be a lot more, but $200 for some pieces that seem fairly timeless and good quality, I would for sure pay that much. Let me see how much it would be if I decided to get everything except for the dress. The earrings were $28. The knot front top was $34. The Berlin Distressed Girlfriend jeans were $48, and the pocketed cardigan was $44. So the total price of that would be $154. So actually, it would be more cost effective to just keep everything from that box, because if I decided to just send that dress back, I would end up paying $2.50 more than if I kept the dress. So really, I'm saving money by keeping the dress. Ooh, that's very tricky of them. How interesting. So I'm pretty sure I'll probably just end up keeping everything. If I think on it more and decide to send back at least one other thing, then that would make sense to send back the dress, and if I decide one other thing. But if I'm truly in love with those 4 other things, I'm gonna just keep the dress. I did like the way it fit. I don't have any other kind of dresses like that, so maybe I will keep that dress, or I could resell it. But if it's cheaper to just keep the dress and everything else, if I'm already gonna buy those other 4 things, then I'm gonna do that. Again, I can always gift it to a friend or sell it, or wear it and keep it and learn to love it if I pair it correctly with other things. So this was very exciting. I think this was super successful. Based on just this one Stitch Fix box, I would 100% recommend, unless you are trying not to spend money, then do not subscribe to Stitch Fix, because they do a very good job. Huge thank you to Lindsay, my stylist, for putting together this box for me. You absolutely knocked it out of the park. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. This is the first subscription box unboxing type of thing I've done on my channel. If you've tried Stitch Fix and have opinions, feedbacks, anything like that, please put them in the comments down below to share with everybody. If you're interested in trying Stitch Fix, I will have my referral link down below. Check it out. And I hope this was helpful for anybody who wanted information on Stitch Fix or just wanted to see what I got in my box. Or if you're already a subscriber of mine, I hope you just found it interesting. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And again, if you want to subscribe, don't forget to do so before you go all buttons are down below. And I think that is everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Hey, be careful. Ma'am, you're gonna burn your nose off. Be careful. What? I'm so confused. I'm sitting on my feet and it's starting to hurt. Oh my God. Ma'am?